Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to the new module of BioWorld. Do you recall what we have studied in our previous class? Yes, that's good. So we have learned and discussed the receptors in lower organism and the largest sense organ in human body, that is skin, isn't it? Today we are going to study and discuss the next topic of the chapter, the chemoreceptors in humans. So shall we move? A chemoreceptor is a specialized sensory cell that transduces a chemical substance to generate biological impulse. So let's study the interesting details about the nose and tongue. Let's see the taste at a glance. The various components which helps to identify the diverse taste: mouth, tongue, papillae, taste buds, taste receptors, nerve and brain. One of the reasons for enjoying the food we eat is definitely the taste. So which are the different types of taste? Yes, sweet, salt, sour, bitter, and umami. Tongue is the primary organ of taste situated in the floor of the mouth. It is composed of mass of muscles covered with mucous membrane. The surface is rough and made of different types of papillae. Chemoreceptors seen inside the mouth and tongue help us to detect taste. These are seen mainly on the surface of the tongue. The projected structures seen on the surface of the tongue are called papillae. The parts seen on the papillae that detect taste are the taste buds. We have taste buds that are stimulated by taste like sweet, salt, sour, bitter, umami. Each taste bud has chemoreceptors that help to detect different tastes. Umami is a Japanese term that means happiness. Milk, meat, seafood, mushroom, etc. contain factors that provide the taste of umami. A sixth taste named oleogustus is also identified. It is the taste of lipid. As you know, lipid is a type of fat. So let's see the diversity of taste at a glance. So we have different taste receptors: sweet, salt, umami, bitter, sour, and oleogustus. Substances responsible for taste dissolve in saliva, stimulate the chemoreceptors, and generate impulses. These impulses reach the brain through the respective nerves and we experience taste. Why spicy is not considered as a taste? The spicy taste is actually a combination of hot and pain sensation. Spiciness is a term commonly used to describe how a food tastes. Technically, it is the pain signal sent by the nerves that transmit touch and temperature sensation. So this is the structure of a taste bud. Here you can see so many microvilli are there which causes stimulation of receptor cells, and this is the part of brain that causes experiences of taste. To ensure clean and healthy tongue, brush your tongue regularly, rinse well, drink plenty of water, and monitor the color of your tongue. So, which are the primary tastes that help to identify delicious food? Yes, for that I am doing a magic. Let's wait. Wow, a table has come. Magic table. So, which are the primary tastes which are having special receptors? Yes, sweet. Wow, the magic table has brought a lollipop, which indicates the sweet receptors. Second one. Wow, another one. It's a salt. Next, come on. Yeah, very good. It's sour. Any example for sour? Very good. Tamarind. Oh, the magic table is very quick in action. Next, bitter. Yes. Oh, medicines. Most of the medicines are bitter in taste, tablets and all, isn't it? Yeah. The next taste receptor? Yes, umami. Wow, the magic table has brought a full shawai for us, isn't it? Yeah. So these are the various taste receptors which help to identify diverse tastes around us. So, dear children, the tongue is an important sense organ in our body which help to identify taste. In addition to that, we have discussed in our previous year that tongue also helps to digest the food, swallowing, and also helps us to communicate. So let's move to the next topic, the next sense organ in human body, that is nose. Shall we go? Come on. Smell is a common term. So biologically, we call the smell as olfaction. Olfaction is the smell and the receptors related to olfaction is olfactory receptor. Where these olfactory receptors are located and which is the sense organ related to? Yes, it is our nose. So let's go inside our nose to see where the location of the olfactory receptor and how they are arranged in our nasal cavity. This is the location of olfactory receptor. Olfactory receptors are seen inside the nasal cavity. Olfactory receptors are also known as odorant receptor. They help to detect odorants, that means a compound that have an odor, which give rise to the sense of smell. Here you can see the arrangement of olfactory receptors and they are connected to olfactory nerve and the base is in close contact with a mucus layer. Let's move to physiology of olfaction. Wow, mesmerizing fragrance. Where is it from? Oh, these lovely flowers which produce this sweet smell. So let's study how or we can perceive the smell. So let's study the physiology of perception of smell. Stages of olfaction. Aromatic particles diffuse in air enter the nostril. Aromatic particles then dissolve in mucus inside the nostril. Stimulation of olfactory receptor cause generation of impulse which is carried by olfactory nerve to brain. Thus we perceive smell. How common cold affects taste and smell? Common cold temporarily damages our sense of smell, thereby affects the taste too. Flavor is a word used to describe perception of taste and smell together. During cold, congestion develops which result in blockage of airflow. Excess mucus also hinder the dissolvement of odorants which results in less flavor. So, how we can care our nose? Clean your home regularly in order to avoid accumulation of dust. Avoid smoking, burning plastics, Maintain a daily nasal cleaning routine, for example, bathing, face wash, and saline cleaning. Keep the humidity in your home at 55%, that is proper ventilation. So, dear students, what we have discussed today? Yes, the chemoreceptors in our body, that is the nose and tongue. So, chemoreceptors present in the tongue and nose help to detect various senses around us. So, hope you have understood the concepts clearly. Here I am winding up. Thank you.